In this video, we will be seeing where clause of SQL, that is structured query language. So where clause in SQL is used for giving condition in SQL statement. The SQL statement can be a delete statement, that is delete command. While using delete command, we can give condition, and while using update command, we can give condition, or while using select query or retrieving data, retrieving data, we can use the where clause. So where clause is used for giving condition while selecting data, deleting data, or updating data of SQL, of database. So how to use where clause in SQL command? Let's see in this video. So where clause is used in SQL statement for giving condition. So condition is given so that based on this condition result, if it's true or false, the statement is executed. If the condition is true, then only statement executed. If condition false, statement will not get executed. So let's see the syntax, how to use where in select query. So select column names from table name, where keyword followed by the condition you want to give. Similarly, we can use update table name, set column name equal to new value. So while modifying the existing data, also we can give condition, where condition. And in delete from table name, where condition. So this way we can use the where clause in the basic SQL statement, select, update, and delete. So insert, we cannot use the condition. So only in select, update, and delete basic commands, we are using the where clause for giving the condition according to which the statement gets executed. So if the condition which we are giving here, if that gives the true result, if that is satisfying, then only the statement gets executed, otherwise not. So let's see how to execute it in a SQL command line. So in SQL command line, first, I have already connected it to Oracle database. So I am selecting from the database a table called student, where I have some data. So in the student table, I have this data. Now I want to select select star from student, which we have already used. Now you can see in the above command, select star from student is giving you all the three columns, ID, name, and course, which are present in the table with complete data. Now I want the rows which are having course as C. So I can give a condition using where clause, where course equal to C. So capital C I am giving, there is one capital C and one this uppercase and lowercase c. So it will be giving you capital C. Now if I give where course is SQL, then I get one Raman SQL. Similarly, if I give where ID greater than 1, then I get 2 and 5 rows only where ID is greater than 1. That is 2 is greater than 1, 5 is greater than 1. Similarly, if I give ID less than 5, then I get 1 and 2 only. So this way, we can use where clause in select statement. Similarly, if you want to use it in update table name is student, column name which I want to update is I want to change this small c to uppercase C. So I will be updating where ID is 5. So set course, I want to change the course equal to C, where ID equal to 5. So this has updated one row, and you can see 1, 2. So both the courses are now having. So I want to give where ID or where course is C. So you are getting now both the rows. So this way we can use it in update. Now if you want to use it in delete, delete from student where ID equal to 5. One row got deleted, and if I select star from student, I get only 1 and 2 rows. So this way we can use the where clause to give condition in select statement, that is select query, or in update command, or in delete command. So while using update, delete and select, we can use the where clause for giving condition according to which query or command gets executed. So thank you for watching the video, and please do subscribe the channel for more updates on SQL and other computer programming languages.